So to construct this so another triangle with the same measurements, we're just going to use the same measurements there, and we're going to use that other triangle. So I'm going to draw it in this orientation here. So I'm just going to have that short length of 22. Here, so I'm going to have my short length next to the 22 degrees. I'm going to have my length of 40 out here, and then I'm going to have my length of 28 drawn in this orientation here. Okay, so that triangle there is going to give us our 22 degrees. We have our length of 40 here and 28 here. Now, to figure out solve this triangle then, we have to work out the angle B based on the 40. So that's going to be this angle here. So I'm going to label the angles A, B, C. And that angle B really is just going to be this angle here, which is supplementary to the 32.35 degrees we have there. So that angle, when we work out the supplementary angle, works out to be 180 minus 32.35. That's going to be 147.65 degrees. So this is 147.65 degrees. So I'm going to call that B2, 147.65 degrees. Okay, and then C2 here is going to be add up to 180. So we're going to do 180 minus 147.65 minus 22, and we end up with an angle of 10.35. Okay, so we'll call that C2, and that's going to be 10.35 degrees. Okay, then we can work out the length of side C2 using our sine law again. So we're going to do sine of 10.35 degrees, and we'll make that equal to, we'll pair up the 28 and the sine 22 again. Solving for C2, we're going to just algebraically solve for this first. So 28 times sine of 10.35 divided by sine of 22 degrees. Typing that into my calculator, I get a length of 13.43. Okay, so that length is 13.43, and I've solved for all the angles inside. So I'm just going to put that there. The length of side C2. Oops. The length of side C2 here is 14 point, oh, sorry, not 14. It's going to be 13.43. Okay. So what information is needed to use the sine law? We need to have opposite angle and side pairs. Okay, and it could be either angle, side, angle, two angles and a side, or we can have angle, side, side. Okay, so the information, when we switch to the cosine law though, which is a different law, we need different information. And to use the cosine law, we're going to need a side, side, side situation, or a side, angle, side situation, which we'll show in the next video.